Hi guys, the meeting will be starting sharp in next 2 minutes here. Still we are expecting a few more members, so the meeting will start sharp in next 2 minutes.
Miss Gajlashmi, can you give your charge? Charger. சொல்லுங்க சார். Chargeable.
Yes, guys, we are just starting the meeting now. Sound up one, sir. Sir, sound up one,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, sir. You may start the webinar, sir. Please.
Okay. Team, good evening. We are going to introduce this algo product. It's the name is Quantman. So we already tested and tried all the strategies. Today we are going to give the demo how to use this software. This is pure algo, so no need of manual intervention required.
Laptop.
One can start in the morning and it will place the orders, cover, it will square up the position automatically. There are a lot of strategies available. Even free strategies also available, and you can write your own strategy also. It's all single click only. So it's very easy and powerful tool. Many of the brokers are already using. This will really help us to bring more people into trading system, because each and every strategy tells you how much margin is required and what is the profit, what is the loss. You can before deploying any strategy. Please keep everyone in mute, Ramkumar.
I will do now.
Guys, put yourself in mute here.
Sir, go ahead, sir.
இன்னும் யாரோ பேசிட்டே இருக்காங்க பாருங்க இடையில.
Okay. Already we have already.
Oh, who is that dear? Please keep yourself in mute, please. Guys, in this thing, beautiful thing is that before deploying any strategy, you can do backtest for last 3 years. So we will get a complete data, complete details. Now it is enabled for NSE F&O and NSE Cash. So please go through this demo completely. This is going to be conducted in English today. Based on your requirement, we can conduct another session on Hindi also. Just go through. If you have any doubts, you can stop and ask. You can stop and ask. Let him complete the Let him complete the first session, so you can ask your doubts. Please take a note completely. Take paper and pen with you and understand all the things. If any doubt, you can ask again. So make yourself no. Feel free to ask everything. Over to Pandeyarajan sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, you can go ahead.
Okay, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Very good evening to all. My name is Pandeyarajan. So today I am going to take a session regarding the convent. How can we easily to make the algo strategies backtest and live deployment also? Before going through that, first I'll let you tell you that why do we do algorithmic trading? Because everyone knows the strategy part, but we are very much difficult to handle the emotional part. That is what algorithmic trading comes into the play. But if you want to put the strategies on your own in algorithmic trading, you have to know coding. But a lot of us are not coming from the coding background. So we are creating a platform. You can easily test your strategies for backtesting and also deploy the strategies in live. So after the peak margin introduced by the SEBI, now everyone's become the options buyers. So through our platform, you can do option selling also, options buying also. In option selling, you can do intraday and position. So I will walk through the convent through our two strategies. Okay. So before that, it is these things no need to get introduced because just I am drawing Bank Nifty 5 minutes candle. This green color line is nothing but the pivot point of R1. This red color line is pivot point of S1. This line is previous day high. This line is previous day low. That's it. So I am going to change the color of the previous day into black. Then you will understand. You will understand better. So,
Pardon,
yes.
you can start from our log. Sir, you can start from our login itself.
Okay,
No?
okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will do this. Yeah. Okay. So if you go to the convent platform, this is the starting thing. So you just directly to the login page. So click on the Goodwill broker. Then it shows that normally you are logging every day, right, in the web platform. So you are going to follow the same thing. So just I am going to type the user ID, password, and PAN number. That's it. Now, Conman validated your authentication token. That's it. So every day you have to come log in before the market opens. Just log in with your own credentials in Goodwill. That's it. So if you open the conman.in, it shows something like that. So dashboard, my strategies, create strategies. I will explain one by one. So first, I'm going to create a very simple strategy on daily basis. So you directly go to create strategy. So first, can you see the backtest and live button? First, I am going to backtest the strategy. So just I am going to select the backtest. Start date, we are having the data from 2017 onwards. You can choose on your requirement. For the time being sake, I am choosing the date from June 1st onwards to yesterday itself. So single or pair, please always choose single. Futures and options CBT. Now I am going to show the strategy based on the options. So I clicked futures and options. You can try it with Nifty index or Bank Nifty, or even you can try with stocks also, Reliance, whatever. But nowadays, a lot of traders are trading in index, especially weekly options. So I am going test with the strategy Bank Nifty. Okay. Now I am not. So if you want to add indicator, you can add it. But now for the status, I don't want to load you. So just for the simple sake, I am going to put a intraday short straddle. What is intraday short straddle? Say for example, you are going to sell the call option and put option on particular time, and you put stop loss on different legs. That's it. This is the intraday short straddle. When the markets are in range bound, our market goes one side, we will get the profit. If markets goes zigzag, then we will lose the amount. We will test the strategy in Quantman in a simple way. So first, entry when just click the edit button. Then you just say, always there are a lot of inbuilt things. So you just go to time of the day. Time of the day equal to 9:30 a.m. Okay. We are also giving the options for the seconds itself, because in backtesting we are having minute by minute data. 1 minute OHLC data, but in live you can place the orders in second. Why do we do that? Say for example, you are going to place the order in 9:30. Lot of orders to be hit, so maybe there is a high probability you will lose the slippages. So instead of not losing slippages, you may give 15, something like that. But for the simplicity's sake, I am giving 9:30. So every day 9:30, I am going to do a short straddle in weekly option. So options expiry cycle, you just click weekly. Options call option, buy or sell, sell. Individual stop loss maybe 30. We will place it. If you can you show the add legs button, please click on the add legs button, and also put option, sell, stop loss maybe. So I'm going to test the strategy for the past 1 month. So if you want to strategy wise stop loss, combine premium. Say for example, you are getting 100 rupee credit of selling the call option, and also put option also you are getting 100 rupees. So totally you got 200. So instead of giving separate stop losses, you may give the strategy wise 200 rupees stop loss also, 30, 40, whatever the thing. But we don't know which will give the profit. So for the simplicity sake, every day I am coming to the market 9:30. I am going to sell call option, put option in weekly. Then I am going to place the stop loss of 30%. Okay. Can you see the run back this button? Just click on that. Then within 10 seconds, we will get the 1 month profit and loss statement. Okay. I am testing it for only 1 month. Okay. It gives the loss. Okay. But if we test the same kind of strategy in the past 5 years, so I'm going to test the strategy from 2017 onwards. Okay, let me see. Okay, so for the 1 month period is very low period. So whichever strategy we have to test from the beginning itself. Then only we will understand the how these strategies would perform in the past. Okay, so it takes around 1 minute. I will walk through the another features. So go to dashboard. If you go to dashboard and please scroll it down, we are giving lot of profitable strategies for free. This is strategy number 1. So strategy number 2, strategy number 3. Actually, we are giving 7 different kinds of profitable strategies. So no, I just want to deploy the strategies, profitable strategies. There is a view full details. Just click on the button. Okay. Then you will see the deploy strategy in live in blue color. So just deploy the strategy in live. Then you will get three options: paper, one click, automatic. I will explain the 3 things. Paper trading means whatever the signals comes, it doesn't place the order in the broker terminal. If you choose the options for one click order, then you will get the call. If you attend the call and press one number, then order will be placed. So no, I don't want all this noise. So I just want to focus on my work. Just click the auto trade. Whenever the signals has arrived, your signals will be placed on your terminal. So if I choose auto trading and deploy the strategy in live. That's it. That's it. Actually, it is the new account. So if you buy the plans, it will allow. Okay. So that's it. It is a very simple mechanism. In between that, we are already back tested one strategy. So go to my strategies, then we will see the results. Yeah. So if we follow the simple strategy, 930, we are going to place the call option sell and put option sell with a 30% stop loss. We are getting this much of profit. Okay. If you want to dissect the details, Monday wise profit, Tuesday wise profit, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday wise, you can dissect the details. Also, monthly wise, also you will know the results. First month we are getting 8,000 rupees, 335. In the first month we lost around 16,000. Second month we got 13,574. But this strategy needs only 1.5 lakhs capital from the user's end. This is simple strategy. Okay, just you are convinced with the results, just you want to deploy the strategy in live in auto trading. Again, the same procedure, just click that very dark blue color line, deploy strategy in live. Please click auto trade. If you click auto trading, it asks the questions whether these orders should be entered on market or limit. Okay, two types, because traders prefer market order or limit order. If you don't want to lose the amount through the slippages, please select the limit order. Okay. Now there is a twist. Suppose if you place the order in the limit order list, maybe your order did not fill it. So on that case, if order not executed in 10 seconds or 5 seconds, it's your call. Then modify into market. You can place the orders to the limit. After n number of seconds, you will modify the same kind of limit order into market order also possible. Limit and normal. Just ignore the stop limit price difference, because if I tell you, then you will be confused. So deploy the strategy in live again. But in exit, we cannot allow to cancel the orders, because if market falls suddenly, you will face the huge losses. That is why we don't allow the orders to cancel exit orders. Just deploy the strategy in live. Okay, if you deploy, that's it. Okay, so it is a simple kind of intraday trading, option selling. Can we do that on positional trading also? Because normally what happened, in theta decay means if everything remains constant, options are losing their value because of theta decay. We are choosing weekly options, so theta decay will be much higher in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. So why don't we target these 3 days instead of targeting the all day? So you want to edit the strategy. So now we have done the intraday strategy. Now I am going to change the intraday strategy into positional. How can we do that? There is a button called copy and edit. Just choose copy and edit. Okay. So we know that theta decay will be higher rate in Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Then go to add conditions, and already day of the week contains Tuesday. So every Tuesday we are coming around 9:30 and sell call option and put option. Okay, but we remove the stop losses because intraday, so we give 30%. In positional, we don't give the stop losses itself. So we are going to sell every Tuesday 9:30 a.m. call and put option of the ATM strike. So you just change from intraday to positional. Okay, run back test. Okay, that's it. Okay, it takes around 1 minute time. Before that, I am going to explain a lot of other features also. So you can give whatever the instrument you want. Already, if you click the indicators, 70 different types of indicators we are giving. ADX, ATR, even candlestick pattern, bearish engulfing, bearish hammer, bullish spinning top, and also we are giving super trend, Renko based chart, even Heiken acid chart. So a lot of different options we are giving. So we will see one by one, but we cannot see all the options in one day. So for the time being sake, just I have conveyed this message to you. Okay. Okay, we are waiting for the results. Before that, I am explaining the simple strategy. Okay, just these black lines are previous day high, previous day low. Say for example, assume that, okay, this is today. So previous day low means this black color line. Previous day high means this black color line. Why we mark the previous day high as and lows? Because previous day low means that point only buyers have come yesterday. Previous day high means that point only previous day sellers have been arrived. So this point act as a resistance and support. Can we do this simple strategy based on the data we are having previous day high and previous day low? We will do that. Before that, these candles to be drawn on every 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes 5 minutes candlesticks. Maybe you will change into 15 minutes, something like that. So before that, we converted our strategy from intraday to positional. Let me show the results. That positional trade also, yeah, be a profitable trade, because every Tuesday 9:30 p.m. we are going to sell the call option and put option with no stop loss, then close the trade on every Thursday expiry day. Then we will get the same profit. You may tell, because if it is easy, why not people are doing it? Because as a human being, following rules is the very toughest task. That is why we are having the traffic light, also traffic police, because it is against our human nature. We are not following the natural rules, but in trading you have to follow the rules ruthlessly. So this is the point machines comes into the play. So if you give the instructions to the machines, it will take the trades. Say for example, now I am COVID positive for the past 1 day, so I did not come to the office, but every day I trade through the conman, right? Because what you need is you just need the login every day. Then you also know freely what is the loss and profit also. So it is a very good thing. So the same way, if you love the strategy, deploy the strategy in life. Okay. Now we are moving to the options buying part, because a lot of persons are asking options buying, because we are having the capital of below 20,000 to 30,000. So can we benefit it out of conman? Yes, we will do that. I will do the simple strategy based on the previous day high and previous day low. If 5 minutes candle close price crosses above the previous day high, then I am going to buy. That's it. Nothing complex strategy. I will backtest the strategy. Then you would be amazed if you see the results. Okay, how can we do that in conman? Just go to conman, go to create a strategy page. Okay, now I am going to test the strategy for the past 5 years. Maybe this time I am going to test the strategy in Nifty, because last 2 strategies I tested the strategy in Bank Nifty. So I am going to test it out the strategy from 2019 March 14th onwards. You may ask, you tested the Bank Nifty strategies for the past 5 years. Why don't you backtest the same Nifty strategies for the past 5 years? Because weekly options to be introduced only February 2019. So I am taking this date 2019. Okay, because why I choose weekly options instead of monthly options? You may ask, monthly options normally theta decayed in a lower manner when compared to the weekly options. Then why do I choose weekly options instead of monthly? Because in Indian market, liquidity is available in weekly options. So whenever, if you ask the question to me, I will say, please express your view in weekly options. So started 2019 March onwards, I'm going to put Nifty already 5 minutes candle added. If you see current candle, 5 minutes candle close price ordered, then just add indicator. We are going to add one more thing, yesterday candle. If we add yesterday candle, then automatically it will reflect the previous day high low on the entry conditions. Can you see that? If
Joel?
yesterday high, yesterday low.
Tell
So
them.
what is the entry logic here? Current 5-minute close price. That means this close price. This close price crosses above yesterday high. This is the entry. Okay, what is the exit? Okay, I am going to draw a VWAP line. VWAP is a very famous indicator. We all know that it is a aggregated price and volume also. So whenever the price is above VWAP, buyers are in control. Whenever the price is below VWAP, sellers are in control. So VWAP acts like a Lachman Rekha. If buyers are in control, price should be above the VWAP. If price should be below the VWAP, then sellers are in control. So what is the entry conditions we are giving? 5 minutes candle close price crosses above yesterday's high. What is the exit? VWAP. So we have to add another one more indicator called VWAP. Okay, so if 5 minutes candle price crosses above yesterday high, I'm going to buy. What is the exit? Current 5 minutes candle close price crosses below VWAP. Current day VWAP, we are giving yesterday's VWAP also. A lot of traders are using yesterday's VWAP also, but for simplicity's sake, I am giving current day VWAP. Okay, so this is the entry, this is exit. Okay, maybe you express your view through the futures buy. So if current 5 minutes candle close price crosses above yesterday's high, then I'm going to buy one future. But as normally I tell, because it needs 1.5 lakhs capital, so I am going with the options thing in weekly options, call option. I'm going to choose based on the ATM, OTM, but OTM means theta decay will be much higher. So I'm going with the premium. I'm going with 200 rupees premium. Whenever the entry conditions meet, I'm going to buy 200 rupees call option in weekly options. Why I choose 200 rupees? Nowadays, Nifty's lot size is 50. So if you multiply into 50 into 200, it comes around 10,000 rupees, right? So I want to make the bet size equally. So I want to bet size very, very similar. Say, for example, if you choose the ATM options, today is a Thursday, your premium will be around 60 to 70 rupees. If tomorrow means premium around 150 to 200, it varies. So I don't want that. That is why constantly I fix 200 rupees for weekly options. By if you want to give stop loss, I'm not going to give the stop loss. Maximum transactions per day, maybe you can give 10, but I stick with the 1. So run back test. Okay, it takes around 1 minute. On in between the time, I will walk you through the marketplace. So I already showed you the profitable strategies in dashboard page. But we are tied up with a lot of third parties. They are offering us some kind of a good backtesting strategies. Finally, we checked they are deploying their own strategies on their account. So some strategies are free, some strategies to be charged from the strategy creators point of view, because we are not charging anything. So it is the strategy creators point of view. So lot of strategies you may see that if you want to deploy any strategies, you can deploy it. So you just go through marketplace and see, will be able to see a lot of good strategies. Maybe no, I'm only wanted to deploy the strategies in options buying with 25,000 capital. You may filter it out. Then option selling not be shown. So in before that, we are testing the one kind of strategy. We will see whether that Nifty strategy has given the profit or not. So it takes around 1 minute. So please. So this is the results. If we would have deployed the simple previous day high broken strategy, we would have gained around 1,70,000 with the capital of 10,000, but I am not going to delude you. So please see the drawdown. So if you start the capital of 10,000, maximum 100% chance your capital would be wiped out. So I would recommend you to have at least 30,000. So 15,000 plus 10,000 extra capital. So 30,000. If you deploy this 30,000, you would get these kind of profits, but we are not including the slippages and brokerages. But if you add the slippages, because it is a nifty options weekly, so you won't get much kind of a liquidity issue. If we remove the 19,000, then surely we would get around 1.5 lakhs. Okay, so winning probability out of two trades, one trade we will get the profit. Okay, risk per trade, ignore it. In future sessions, I will explain very deeply why this is the important parameter. The main crux is winning streak and losing streak. Can you see that 11 losing streak? So continuously you may lose 11 trades. Okay. As a human being, what it would tell, because if we face continuous losses 3 to 4, then what would we do? We will bet more amount. Instead of going for 1 lot, we want to take all the losses in the one single trade. Then we are going to put the 10 lots in one single trade. Then our account will be wiped out. So that is the problem. That is the human nature. So better if you find some kind of a good strategies, give to the machines. It will take care of it. Okay. So we are not very good at facing the losing side, because there is an economic theory in prospect theory. If you lose 1 rupee, if you gain 1 rupee, if you lose 1 rupee, then it gives twice much of pain of what you have gained. So losing, we are all hating losing. So better to give to the machines. So just the same procedure, you really loved the strategy, assume that, then deploy the strategy in live, auto trading, market, maybe just deploy it. That's it. So 3 things you can do intraday based options selling. Okay, first I told how do we backtest the option selling in intraday. What we did, every day 9:30 we just came around, sell call option, put option with a 30% stop loss. Then we converted the same strategy into positional option selling, because a lot of theta decays happened in Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So for capturing that, we are giving the instructions to the machine. Time of the day should be equal to 9:30 and the day of the week also Tuesday. What is the exit conditions? It exit as per the as per the expiry. Now move to that. We are doing the Nifty based options buying, 200 rupees options. What is the entry condition? If 5 minutes candle close price crosses above the previous day high, this previous day high have been marked from the black itself. If 5 minutes candle close price is crosses above the previous day high, then I am going to buy. What is the exit conditions? If 5 minutes candle close price crosses below the this VWAP, then I am going to sell. That's it. So I taught you 3 strategies, and also if you go to dashboard, we are offering 4 to 5 strategies are free. You just if you want to just click that and you can see the profitable results. Also you want to deploy the strategy, or else if you don't want to satisfy the default strategies, you may go to marketplace. Search for that. We are connecting with the third party also. Maybe you will deploy the strategies from here. So maybe every strategy is to be put on 1 lot. So say for example, you are having you want to deploy 5 times, then just increase the number into 5. Deploy the strategy. That's it. So that's it. There is a video section. Okay. We are offering the videos in English, Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, and Telugu because a lot of persons are from Tamil Nadu. Maybe I can see the names in Zoom link. So we are offering the videos in Tamil languages also. Maybe if you want to comfortable in Hindi, comfortable, please go through that. And also, last point is you just come to Quanman regularly and just log in with your credentials. If you want to open the separate web login Google Goodwill page, please open it, but don't log out. If you log out on your Goodwill, then session will be expired. So that's it. So if you have any doubts, please ask one by one. I'm ready to answer all the queries. Thank you. Forget to say that there is a plan page. So you can buy monthly, quarterly, annually. So if you buy basic monthly plan, you will get 250 back test and 4 live strategies you will be deployed. GAN hello indicator. Actually, we are having only 70 indicator, but in future we will try to add one by one indicator. Because we are working on options adjustments also. I will show the options adjustments in the coming sessions. It is being on the beta phase. Sure, Rajesh. So
Yes, any other queries?
Bharat raised the hand. Sir. Okay.
Yeah, Bharat, go ahead.
Trailing stop loss, we are working on that. Probably next week you will get the trailing stop loss.
Hello.
Yes, Bharat, please.
That is algo trading software will be uploaded in the Goodwill app only, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Bharat. Go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just asking, if any client subscribe for this algo trading, will the software? It is a separate software, or it will be it's the Goodwill app software only? Goodwill Geek
No, it's a
or
separate software.
it's separate software.
Like how we have integrated other platforms. Similarly, it will work for Quantman also.
Okay. One more thing is we require a demo of this product. Whatever you spoke just now, in a basic demonstration, if any client asks us, we'll not be able to explain them in detail. So if you can send us one basic demonstration about this product.
Yes, maybe you will go through the videos. Otherwise, you just mail support team, or I will share the support team number. They will help you.
Yeah, sure. That will be enough.
Sure.
And some images of this algo trading also. Any one picture if you have, you can send, because we can send it to our clients and all in
Sure.
WhatsApp groups, and also so that we can get some queries from them.
Sure.
Okay.
Sir. Please contact with the support teams. They will help you.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other queries?
Yeah, we will place the different time frame also. Maybe we will choose the 5 minutes candle itself, or you may choose another time frame also. Yeah, in Straddle you can you can test out different time zones, 9:30, 9:45, 9:50, whatever the time you are comfortable. Please deploy it, Mr. Saravanan.
Hello.
Yeah, Rajesh. Rajesh, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is API based, sir, Algo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. API based
Okay.
device.
And once again, this whole video send through mail, sir, for better update, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will.
Rajesh, this video will be made available in our website very soon.
And the client also use this API.
Yeah,
See, client
API.
API is different. One second, Pandit.
Yes, sir.
Rajesh, client API is different than the API what we have used over here.
No, we are if client use our diet, can we provide him to API for and attach with diet? Hello.
Rajesh, those calls will take privately, Rajesh.
Okay,
Those calls
okay,
will
not
be
an issue, sir.
call me
Not an issue,
directly,
sir.
and for Vasu also the same answer. Vasu, you can just call me directly for those queries.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. But sir, video must be sent through mail, sir. Huh? One.
Of course, it just video will be made available in our website. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Portfolio
Yeah, guys, any query?
Yes, sir. Portfolio wise stop loss, we are not doing that. But if you put a stop loss strategy wise, and also if any of your clients want to join Convent, just come to convent.in and directly log in. If they log in through the Goodwill credentials, then they are getting 50 back tests free and one live run free for 7 days. Then only you, if you satisfy, then only you please pay that. Um, Rajesh Thakkar has raised the hand.
No, Rajesh already spoken. Asai is anybody else?
Yes, Vasudev, surely we will do one live trading sessions. If Goodwill permits, we will do one live trading session. Sure. No need for any complex steps involved. Just come to convent.in and directly log in with your Goodwill credentials.
Guys, shall we wind up? Gopi, yeah. Yeah, Gopi, go ahead.
Hello.
Hi, Gopi.
Yeah, Gopi, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening. So based on this, any method, if any clients took an entry,
Okay.
and the internet, if for example, any unfortunately internet or anything system get off, is it automatically the server will take care, or
Yes, yes,
the software has to be on till this position has been squared off?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Because everything to be made from the cloud itself, sir. But please don't log out from your web terminal if you log in. That's it.
Like for example, unfortunately, some many internet issues, something like that. In that condition, circumstances, if the system get off, is if
Yes.
market unfortunately
Yes.
fall in a big way,
Okay.
is it
Yeah.
the client's positions will be square off automatically,
Yes,
or it
sir.
will be in running?
Yes, sir. It will be squared off automatically. Say, for example, you are putting a stop loss limit order because now exchanges are not allowing stop loss market orders. Say, for example, if the price jumps us from the 150 to 200, if you put the strategies on manually, it would not wind up. But if you place the same kind of orders through Conman, even though price jumped from 150 to 200 beyond the stop loss limit price, Quanman will force you to exit. So this is the main advantage of why do we do in algorithmic trading through
Okay.
Quanman.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the explanation.
Thank you.
Anybody? Yeah, Rahul. Rahul, go ahead. Rahul, just check your mic here. So, okay. Yeah, Rahul, go ahead. Rahul, you're already unmute. Rahul, go ahead. I think there is some problem. Bharat. Bharat? So already answered to Bharat queries there actually. Now, Bharat, you may just put your query in chat also. Go ahead. Sonaman sir, go ahead.
ஓகே ராம் லெட் இட் பி. என்னன்னா இப்போ ஒரே நாளில் அவங்களால டவுட் கேட்க முடியுமான்னு தெரியல. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபைன். When they can log in, Ramkumar, using their own strategies. So when we can launch this?
So already, our API is been integrated with the Quantman actually. Whoever wants to check, they can just check and they can start the trading also as well. Probably in a day, in a maximum a day, we will be make this Quantman under our market store in our website.
Okay. So, Bharat, answering your question, the package details will be shared to you by tomorrow. We will share you the, using this for using this strategy, for using this algo, how much we need to pay, rest of things, what is the discounts, everything will provide you by tomorrow. Meantime, just go through this. Now also you can using quantman.in to log in and you can check. Actually, you can do back test also. Pandyan,
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
is there any trial period you are giving, allowing?
Yes, sir. So we are giving 7 days trial period. Users can backtest 50 strategies. Also, they are going to put one live runs for free for next 7 days.
Okay. So now also you can log in using our client code and password and PAN number. Go to quantman.in and you can you can log in and you will get 7 days 7 days demo. So so in that period you can do all the back test. You can do your own strategies. Everything is available. Just go through it. I'll share you the link in the group. Okay. Is there any other question? One more question is asked. What is that? Sarvana, it is 7 days. How many days client can get access? 7 days. Is there any other doubts? Okay. So Ram, we'll conduct another session tomorrow, Hindi.
So tomorrow we will we need to check, sir. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. Probably we will just schedule for next week, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Meantime, if you have any queries, just post it in the group. We'll try to give you the answers. Okay. So currently it is ready. You can log in quantman.in. There you can use your user ID passwords. Same whatever the user ID password you are using for logging Jiga. Same thing. Same you have to enter and you can check all the details. Okay, Lokesh, we are trying to get it for you. Any other questions?
Shall we wind up, sir? Someone, sir.
Yeah. You can wind up. Thank you, Mr. Pandirajan. Thanks for the demo. So we will let you know about the further proceeds.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thanks
Thanks,
for your
Ram.
time.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go on.